next Thursday, yes, hope is on the ballot paper through all of us who believe that this is not as good as it gets for our nation. All of us who dare to imagine a better future for our children, for our neighbours, and for our communities. The choice between the two futures facing Wales at this election could not be more stark. It is a straight fight between Plaid Cymru and Reform. So if you believe in Wales, if you care about our community, if you value our NHS and want to keep our country free from Trump-inspired politics, there is only one option. Whether you're a lifelong member, a first-time Plaid Cymru voter, my promise to you is simple. As your First Minister, I promise to work hard every day with you, where there is common ground to be found with others who value decency, credibility and compassion. I will seek it out. If there is an injustice facing Wales, I will fight it with every fibre of my being. And if there is an opportunity to make our nation a fairer, a more prosperous, more tolerant place for everyone who lives here, I will seize it.